Very happy to give way.
I'm most grateful, and Madam Deputy Speaker, I apologise for not arriving for the beginning of my honourable friend's remarks this afternoon. In relation to the third group of amendments that she introduced on nutrient neutrality, could I applaud the government for the work that it's doing in trying to ensure that water companies take full responsibility for their discharges into our waterways. I think this is an extremely important and powerful set of amendments, and I applaud her for that. Could I ask it in that context, in the context of both the community land auctions and the infrastructure levy, is it the case that water companies can be in receipt of both of those sources of funding in the event that local authorities deem it an appropriate use either of infrastructure levy or of funds arising out of community land auctions, because at present they don't appear to me? And can they become statutory consultees on significant developments, which at present they're not?
I'm very grateful for my honourable friend's intervention, because I know he's done significant work on this issue. I know DEFRA announced future funding from fines handed out to polluting water companies be invested in schemes and for the benefit of our natural environment. I know he did a lot of work on this issue. On the issue about the infrastructure levy, water and wastewater networks are covered by the broad definition of an infrastructure, so that the answer to his question on that issue is yes. And in relation to statutory consultees, the Secretary of State can make changes to a list of statutory consultees through secondary legislation, and we will consult on whether or not we should make water companies statutory consultees, and if so, and how best we would do that. So, Madam Deputy Speaker, I do want to give other members an opportunity